ukuhlala kwaMangwabe, she's actually up to something, uphezu kwa something. Let me know in comments ukuthi am I dreaming yini, but uphezu kwa something. Okay guys, libe busy usitshele oyibo ucabanga ukuthi uma usufila kanjani nalabo abanye omama busy threatening us here. Like I'm saying, good man, just leave. If you are leaving, you don't even have to tell TV. You don't even have to tell the world. Isn't that kanje? That is why back in the days, umuntu wayehlala emshadweni lobe kuthiwa hamba. But when then we learned ukuthi no, you shouldn't tell them ukuthi leave. They will realize it, and it's up to them. On the day you decide to go, you will go. Exactly like Mangwabe is not going anywhere. He ain't gonna divorce. No, it's not gonna happen. Can you just give? And be like, hey, I'm done, most. Please actually don't come to my house anymore. You know what? And you must also remember ukuthi uMakhumalo umngani omkhulu kaMangwabe. Big buddies. Ayinto ukudlala like friends. Bosom. Hayi Makhumalo amtshela ukuthi listen yeah sisi mawuhamba la you know ukuthi you just gonna be an ass only. No one's gonna care about you. Also, they're gonna drag her foot on social media again, like they dragged her when she wanted to leave. So they will drag her. They'll be like, "Hey, ungasifaki." So Makhumalo amnikeza ama options wasilalela sisi. Lana khona imali. Qala nje besides ukuthi you are a nurse. Don't forget ukuthi when uzohola la ishow. That's when I'm sure she opened the Chisanyama with the brother. And then there's other things you can do. You can get friends, obviously not like me. But that's not what she said, guys. I mean, sing ya shonje. Ukuthi ya usisile omunye uMakhumalo gets a lot of things to still getting traction. Oh my gosh, ubizwa ngapha nangapha. I'm just like, why are you ngena YouTube channel yakho sis? Njengoba sinasibuka ngo-4:30 sibe na 4 YouTube channels azizenzi nathi, you know. But I mean, you can have YouTube channel like a guys can grow in like a day. That's just my thing. Like how you saw Marcus Strapper crying there a week ago. Facebook kwakhe bemhekile. By the time she went to sleep, she had 200,000 followers. So I want to let them say not everyone would like you, not everyone for to exonda. Literally, you're just like, oh my gosh, ngenzeni. You know, so Bonnie Marcus Strapper should let 3 million gonna come back. Just she must be smart with her things, with sisters, even her, you know. I mean, just as much as I didn't have a problem with her telling us how much she earns. Those things also they do help. Just you must do them to a certain extent. Yeah, you mustn't be too much. But you have to tell people how much you earn. I mean, otherwise, most people they don't believe there's even money on YouTube. Konabantu who actually used to gaslight YouTube like you've never seen. When I started about 4 years ago, people babem gaslight YouTube like you've never seen. But oh my gosh, please, just go to work, you know. But that's why some of us we have to wake up at 4:30 because we don't just do YouTube. Kono 9 to 5. Corner in network marketing, ngapha. No, I can't sell, you know those people, but some gonna next. I can't sell. But you don't do anything, you don't even work. Go to busy gaslight abantu babukela phansi. No, I can't sell. And minage I do reputable companies. Yabona, for example, Inuka. I've been doing since 2018. Yeah. So if you're interested in things like that, so you can DM me. I don't do small things. Yeah, no. So nje abantu bakubukela phansi adayisa. No, angikwazi ukudayisa. But awuna next. But awukwazi ukudayisa. Then what can you do? Like kuyibona le yodwa. So nje guys, asekena abantu bayazenzela izinto zabo. So yabona uMakhumalo omtshela uMangwabe utlalela sisi, you need to be smart about your stuff. So uya strategize lo. Uphezu kwa something. Mark my words. And also what I don't like about Mangwabe, uyamdelela umusa guys. We've seen it quite a few times. Ndangayo nje into ayenzayo in wild coast angawuvula umnyango Mangwabe. Like I'm saying, she's very strange. And the mom. ungayibona into kaMakamangwaba. UMakamangwaba ufuna uMangwaba ahlale kula mshado. She doesn't want to know. You know those type of mothers. Athi kuhlala kuyashisa noma kushisa, but they don't know what you're going through there. They don't know what you go through, and they don't know ukuthi you are the one who has to go through those things. Umakho uhleli lapha faka iduku uMakamangwaba ihlalele ekhaya. Akazi nokwazi ukuthi wena ukwenzani uMusa. Umtshela nje like 3 or 4 things, but out of the 15 things uMusa does, akazi. So yabona ukuthi guys, sometimes nokuhlala kuleyo mshado asasi. So I just wanted to talk about these two kuphela, uMakhwela noMangwaba. Ngapha uMakhwela ubonakala ehleli noMusa in some B&B. I'm like, uzohamba ama B&B wena and hotels or whatever until ama Airbnb nama hotel kuze kube insisi ungena indlako, ungashada, ungalotsholwa, ungenziwa next, ukuthola ama push presents, and then uzothola push present again, because uMusa is just like, ungakhohlwa ileza ingane engiyifuna izu-20. So hey guys, you know what, ezinye izinto namanye ama-relationships, and I guess in life also we're not looking for the same things. Yeah, man. Yeah, and I guess at Makhwela's age, it's more like damning for experience. I want what must happen or what I must do. So mina anginandaba ngihamba noMusa wami la esho khona ukuthi asiye khona. Hayi bosisi. Abantu basengelwe izindlu. Wena nje asike indaba yendlu futhi that's actually far-fetched for me for now, because you still have to be lobolwati. Ilobolo sisalindile sisi, akwenzakali lutho. Umbondo, ibizo, kuningi sazokwenziwa. So when are we even gonna get there? Sadlala nje uMusa msele kuwena, literally. uMusa kodwa unjani, just as much as you are trying ukuthi ifamily lakhe izwane, ayakuzwanwa lapha. uMacele zina own league, and then you say to people, to the other wives, let's go to Macele's house. Wenza sengathi it's some beautiful place ekuyiwa kuyona. How masifika ikaMacele, her house is beautiful guys. Uhambile kuleyo Sea Park asimazi ke manje there kobo Potchefstroom, or should we say next to Potchefstroom, uhlalaphi ukubona, we don't know, but her house is beautifully, the furniture is new, it's not the same as the Sea Park. I'm like, ayibo uMusa kasindeni unemali, boss. Why people saying uMusa kanamali? I'm one of them. I did say ukuthi hayi kakahle lo baba lo ukuzenza sengathi unemali, akanayo. Uma kufika laphana uyazi kahle ukuthi uMakhumalo abazwani noMacele, kakhulunyiswana. Abingelela uMacele, abingelela kaningi, noma yini ubingelela ngazi 3 times na akaziwa, akuvunywa. Yabo nje ku-tense kusawa nje kule family, and you know ukuthi it's one person who did all of that. UMusa could actually even still fix it. I said on my 2 videos actually about 3 weeks ago, I said ukuthi uMusa can actually fix it, but uyafaka umlilo, uyabhebhethela, umlilo, how are you gonna control it now? Ngoba it has gone too far, it's uncontrollable now. Indaba kaMacele, her house is nice though, but I mean akuzwaniwa manje, ungisela nendle kaMacele. Guys, we're going to have a live at 8 Yothando Nesithembu, because that's where we're going to finish everything that we've been talking about and other new things that they said there on Thando Nesithembu this week. Umayeni, guys, oh no, she needs to move on. Oh my God, she must just move on. Umayeni around into the first wife. Hey, you don't think, guys? I mean, I would have moved on long time ago. I'm the first type. I'm the first, like. I'm the first type, like, and then how does that even help you with anything, actually? So uMusa Msele had to break it down and get to the sisters as Gamayeni. Sisi, can you please listen? Usisweni, number 3 actually, not even number 2, because mina gangjola na yebo wa mitho umpumelelo ngapha. Obviously that's not what uMusa said, but something like that. And then basizothi uMusa no ngazo shada kuMacele, ngazo uMasauleke was number 2, waseyashona kuMasawule bese kuzoba uyena kuMayini-ke njengoba sengimshada kwayo number 3. And bafuna number 1. I don't understand that number 1 thing. And then-ke uMusa came up with another story ukuthi in fact there was number 1 omunye engamazi nani uFlo ugogo wami wayefuna ukuthi ngimshade. But that guy is like honestly uMusa and uMusa-ke had to break it down to us ukuthi no actually mina uMayeni ongasifuni futhi kahle hle isithembu nakubo babengasifuni isithembu, that hence the delay. I'm like hawu ngeke guys awufuka ukuthi ngimshade. And wife number 1 it could have been uMaKaSne. There is no way, cause apparently gogo Flo no bantu bakaSne ayikokuxoxana into serious kodonswana. They were literally dragging each other. So nje kwathukwana apparently. I'm just like thukwana. Yeah, kwabuye kwathukwana khona lapho. So uMaKaSne nje I think wayeyintombi nje. Futhi nakhona into edlulayo. Ngoba amadoda they will show you flames, right? So yeah. So nje into kanjalo, something like that. Asimazi umuntu ofanele kube wife number 1. Nangu phela kaSitsheli Brothers uMusa Mseleko. So guys, uThando Nesithembu is actually season finale. Sizobonana ngo-8 p.m. Sike sithi nje ukumphatha kancane Thando Nesithembu. Thank you so much guys for always supporting this channel. Ngithanda over.